We'll guide you through how to make aura effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you have footage with the background already removed, because Alight Motion does not have a neat masking feature for this process. Once your footage is ready, open Alight Motion on your device and wait for the application to load completely. After it has finished loading, press Create New Project to start a new project. Adjust the project settings according to your preference and choose the setup that fits your editing needs. When the settings are ready, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button located below the timeline to import your footage. Import both your original footage and the masked footage into the timeline. After both clips have been added, select the masked footage and duplicate it. Next, select the masked footage layer located below the duplicated layer and open the effect browser. Search for the solid color effect and add it to the selected masked footage. Once the effect has been applied, set the color for the aura base on your like. Then adjust the scale of the masked footage so it becomes slightly larger than the original. After increasing the scale, open the effect browser again and search for turbulence displace. Add the turbulence displace effect to the same masked footage layer. Once the effect has been added, adjust its settings until you find the value that produces the appearance you want. After adjusting the effect, locate the parallax option and turn on its keyframe. Move forward a few frames on the timeline and add another keyframe. Adjust the parallax value on the second keyframe to create the animated movement for the aura effect. If you want the aura to appear smoother, you can add both the glow effect and the Gaussian blur effect to the same masked footage layer. These additional effects help soften the appearance of the aura while keeping the animation visible. After completing each step in the correct order and applying the effects as described, you have successfully created an aura effect in Alight Motion.